In today's video, we're diving into the best calisthenics apps for Android that can help you achieve your fitness goals using just your body weight. If you're ready to elevate your body weight training, let's get started. Thenic's Calisthenics Coach. Thenic's Calisthenics Coach is a comprehensive app designed to guide users through various calisthenics workouts and routines. This app features a wide range of exercises targeting different muscle groups, allowing users to build strength, flexibility, and endurance using only their body weight. With detailed video demonstrations and step-by-step instructions, users can easily learn proper techniques and form. The app also offers customized training plans based on individual fitness levels, ensuring that both beginners and advanced athletes can find suitable workouts. Additionally, Thenic provides progress tracking, allowing users to monitor their improvements over time, making it a great choice for anyone looking to enhance their calisthenics journey. Calisthenics App. Calisthenics App is a versatile fitness app that focuses specifically on bodyweight training and calisthenics exercises. It offers a variety of workouts from beginner to advanced levels, with routines designed to improve strength, flexibility, and overall fitness. The app features an intuitive interface, making it easy to navigate through different workouts and plans. Users can personalize their training by selecting exercises that suit their goals and needs, whether they want to increase muscle size, improve mobility, or enhance athletic performance. Additionally, the Calisthenics app includes progress tracking and workout reminders, helping users stay motivated and committed to their training routines. Thanks for watching. We hope this overview of Thenic's Calisthenics Coach and Calisthenics app helps you find the perfect tools to enhance your fitness journey. Until next time, stay fit and keep moving.